coming to you today to do an unboxing. I've already actually unboxed it, but I did want to share with you guys a little bit clearer pictures. I think I'm hoping it will come through well since it's daylight. So I won these cabochons from Elisa at SoulEyeJewelry, and not only does she make these really gorgeous malas, sorry, I love this little guy, it's so neat, but she's also a lapidariist, and so I'm just going to show them without further ado. We got the little obsidian bobcat. He's made of volcanic glass, so he's pretty breakable, so he's going to have a special sort of setting just to make sure he stays in there all snug and safe. And got the Mexican Morado opal, and it's a purple opal, and that is not coming through in the video for some reason. I can't seem to catch it just right. We've got this gorgeous ruby and zoisite, where I have set it aside now, of course. So